What's up YouTube? Today me and my brother are gonna play hardcore. Looks really hard, but first time I'm playing it. Let's go. Sorry for the lag. First let's get dirt and get up to live on tree houses.
I'm getting some trees.
Get a lot of trees first before nighttime. Cause we're gonna live on the tree, okay? Because this is hardcore. This is one of my plans how I do it. Get some wood, brother. Oh yeah, I'm playing with AZ Master, my brother. Now my name is called Over 9000. Yeah.
Over 9,000.
Okay, let's get some dirt so we can start living outside.
I look for some animals to kill them.
And I'm a fan of Michael Fitness as well.
That's how we got you started.
Yeah,
I'm lying.
yeah, I'm saying.
I found a ravine. No, no. Don't worry, I'm gonna get tomorrow.
Yeah, as you can see, you can't cheat on hardcore. Where are you?
Yeah, no, I'm
Where's the ravine?
you know, the other side of the mountain. Hello.
Get up. We should live in here.
I'll make on stone pickaxe. Mine the cobble down there. For me.
Just wait, I gotta do this.
Yeah.
This is actually my first video. I'm done.
Yeah. This is one about my second. My third. Because I've been doing videos with my friends. If you want to hear a young book, I just go. I'm getting hungry.
How do we get food?
Look around me. I'll just.
I don't have a sword.
There's a constant in there.
I don't have a pickaxe or anything.
Punch them to death.
No, I need a sword. You have to get up. Wait, do you want to get up?
No.
Here, use this to get up.
I picked up nothing.
Hurry up and give me the sword.
Iron sword?
Yeah. Sure.
Take over.
No.
Oh, it's so dark in this. There's a ravine inside of a ravine.
Wow, let's go. Whoa, there's a zombie right there. Oh crap. My notice is on. Sorry. I'm going down.
No, why are you doing this to me? I'm robbing. I'm totally out my skin.
Yeah, my brother's skin is Robin, by the way.
Robin Hood. He's such a bad child. And I'm Batman for a second. That's people like this shit?
Yeah.
Hey, zombie with chain armor. Okay, bro, come on.
Come on, right behind you.
Okay.
What?
I found some gold.
Dude, I think we're gonna die.
Oh god, dude, I'm gonna get it now. I'm gonna make a sword.
Okay, I guess we leave. Whoa.
Yeah,
Zombies! Help me!
coal?
Zombies! Sorry about that. But this is almost full.
Oh, come on, well, I took this coal.
Give me a sword!
See, I'm putting, hold them off this
You
thing.
can't hold them off! They're gonna kill me!
Oh, yeah, guys.
I think we have to live with bottom first then. That's our food, I think.
Help me. I'm doing this on me. Wait for you. I will enchantment level 6.
Pass. Skeleton!
What?
On top of you!
I see nothing.
It's right behind you.
I see nothing.
Oh, come on!
Okay, once we get like about 40 iron armor, and we go back up.
Whoa! Skeleton! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Oh crap, I'm dead. I'm dead. I died. Sorry.
I'm so quiet.
Game over. Turn on learning system.
No, nothing works now.
Okay. Worst game
Why
over.